Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about Apan Vayu Mudra. Hold the index finger, place it at the base of thumb, join the tip of middle finger, ring finger with thumb, keeping other finger straight. It is useful in heart problems. It removes blockages in the arteries. It is helpful in high and low blood pressure. It strengthens nervous system. It is useful in asthmatic attack, joint pain, headache, migraine, hiccup. It removes toxins from the body and improves digestion. It balances Vata, Pitta, Kapha. My Ayurvedic tip is to have 1 spoon of Arjun Chal powder twice daily for heart problems and to have half spoon of Ashwagandha powder twice daily for headache, migraine and nervous system. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.